How to place an image on a tilted object. Open the image you want to place on a different page. You can do this by converting to Smart Object or opening the image directly in Photoshop. With the image opened, press Ctrl+A to make a selection of the image, then Ctrl+C to copy. Once done, go back to the page where you have the image you want to place another into, and create a new empty layer. With the empty layer selected, go to the menu bar and select Filters, then Vanishing Point. Using the pins, make a selection of the face you want to place the image into, and press Ctrl+V to paste. Press Ctrl+T to transform the placed image, and move it into the area selected with the pins. Adjust till you are pleased, then press OK.